Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Learning Room Pro. I'm really happy you're here today. In this lesson, we are going to talk about something very important, something that stops many people from speaking English confidently. And that thing is fear. If you want to improve your English in a calm, simple, and natural way, subscribe to Learning Room Pro and like this video so more learners can benefit from it. Now, take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and let's begin. Why speaking English feels difficult. Many English learners say, I understand English, but I can't speak. This is very common. The problem is not your vocabulary. The problem is not your grammar. The real problem is overthinking. You think too much before speaking. You worry about mistakes. You worry about pronunciation. You worry about what people will think. But let me tell you something important. Perfect English is not real English. Real English is simple. Real English is natural. Real English has mistakes. If you agree with this, press the like button. Confidence does not come first. Practice comes first. You don't speak confidently and then practice. You practice and confidence follows. Every fluent speaker you see today was once a beginner. They made mistakes. They spoke slowly. They felt shy, but they didn't stop. Daily habit that changes everything. Let me share a very simple daily habit with you. You don't need hours. You don't need expensive courses. You only need 10 minutes a day. Step 1. Speak to yourself. Yes, speak to yourself. Talk about your day in English. I woke up early today. I am watching this video. I want to improve my English. This removes fear because no one is listening. Step 2. Slow is powerful. Never rush your English. Slow English is clear English. Clear English builds confidence. Speak slowly. Pause if you need. Fluency is not speed. Fluency is comfort. Step 3. Repeat simple sentences. Repetition is not boring. Repetition is powerful. Say these sentences with me. I am learning English every day. I don't fear mistakes anymore. I am becoming more confident. I trust myself. Good. Now let's practice together. Listen and speak with me. I am calm when I speak English. I think in simple sentences. I don't translate in my head. I let the words flow. Excellent. Now a longer practice. Every day I take a few minutes to speak English. I speak slowly and clearly. This small habit helps me grow. My confidence increases step by step. You're doing great. Change your mindset. Mistakes are not your enemy. Silence is. Speaking broken English is better than speaking nothing. Each mistake teaches you something. Each sentence makes you stronger. English is not a test. English is a tool. Use it daily. Use it naturally. When you feel stuck, some days you will feel tired. Some days you will feel slow. That's okay. Progress is not straight. Progress goes up and down. But if you stay consistent, you will move forward. If this message helps you, like the video and share it with another learner. Final motivation. Remember this. You don't need perfect English to start. You need English to become better. Speak today, practice tomorrow, grow every day. If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe to Learning Room Pro, like the video, and stay connected for more simple English lessons. Thank you for learning with me. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep believing.